If we jump over now to /BTC, and this has a low that's due here. There's a low that's due 7.3 to 8.7. It's just holding sideways here and still looks like a flag, but this flag has to turn up fairly soon here for this to still be relevant on the intermediate term. You can see we are looking for this to hold 29,633 to around 28,600 or so, and then for this to turn up, and then we have a fib right there at around 35,730. And that is only valid if we can then break through this old high at 32,165. So if we move through 32,165, we have this fib right there at around 35,730 or so. That is in play. Shift over to the daily chart. So this is our short-term cycle analysis for /BTC. And just like what we said in ETH, this really needs to hold this zone from 29,471 to 27,844. Now, what would raise the odds that we have formed a key low? We would need to see what is now a neutral slim ribbon turn green again. And we want to see, just like we said in ETH, a move through this old cycle high at 32,165. If that happens, then we would be looking at that key intermediate term target. But if we can't see a close through 32,165, those upside levels are not in play. So it's always very important to be thinking in a series of if-thens, so that way you have a clear logical process to follow in your own trading. And that's really what we try to walk through with you for every one of these symbols here in FutureSpeak.